Hi everybody, welcome to Making the Makers episode 5. Today we're going to be making the pincushion pattern by Dieselpunk.ro. This video is going to be in a slightly different format, but I'll tell you about that as soon as we change camera angles. Be right back. Okay, Editor Chris here. Let me explain how this video is going to be in a different format than some of my previous ones. Instead of showing the entire process, I'm going to be showing you some still frames of the intermediate steps in the process, and then we're going to have some video towards the end. As with all leathercraft patterns, the first step is cutting out the pattern. After I've got the pattern cut out, the next step is dyeing the leather. For this I used Phoebing's, or however you say it, Pro Dye Black. Since I'm making this pattern for me, I made a custom cap for the top of the pincushion. This was dyed with the Phoebing's Black Pro Dye, as well as the EcoFlow Evening Blue. Now, can anyone explain to me how such a simple project can create such a mess? After waiting for the dye to dry, I was able to continue this project at work the following day. I carried everything with me in a pencil case, as you could see, and I was able to kill maybe an hour of my shift by way of sewing this project together. Alright, for the next part of the pattern, we need a sponge that'll go inside of here. According to the instructions, it needs to be approximately twice the size of the pincushion. Problem is, it doesn't say whether it's or twice the size by height, width, or both. So, I've taken a sponge that would be used for, let me zoom out. I've taken a sponge that would be used for automotive car wash, dyed it black by sticking it inside of a Ziploc bag and squishing it around, giving it time to dry, and as you can see, it's oversized by width, but not quite oversized by height. I'm still going to use this because I'm going to compact the whole thing, and that should make it be more dense and do what we need to do. So the first step in this process, I need to cut this in half. I'm going to round it off a little bit. There's our sponge. Alright, so now it's time to sew the bottom on. Alright. Here, give me a second to double check something. Unlike some of the other Dieselpunk.ro videos, instead of a video instruction, this one has printed instruction. I just want to see how he starts the bottom, that way I do it right. Ever have trouble finding the hole? Alright, well that's what I'm going to be repeating all the way around. We'll come back in a minute when I get finished. Alright, I finished stitching the pincushion. does its job. It holds the needles. Time to retire my old pincushion. Now it's time to get the money shot for the outro. My name is Christopher, and I have been your presenter for this episode. This has been Making the Makers, Episode 5, where we've made the Dieselpunk.ro pincushion. Link to this pattern is in the video description. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have a big ask for you. There is an additional video that has been released on this channel when this video went live, talking about the different formats of videos that I have produced up to this point. Your comments will help shape future videos appearing on this and other Peachoid Media Group channels. I am asking for your feedback. I need your comments, I need your suggestions. Please see that video for more information. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you next time.